What's up everyone, this is Car Quickie, and I know what you guys are thinking. You need a GT350 on this channel, and we're not getting that until we hit 500 subscribers, so smash that subscribe button. You know what? I don't know how to convey this to you guys. You guys need to smash that, because that's the only way we're gonna do this. And I don't know if you've noticed, there's gonna be some Easter eggs in the coming up video and in future videos, so make sure to continue watching to find those out. And you know what? Go back. Try to see where these Easter eggs are and see what might be moving around, what might be happening. Okay, now that that's over with, over the course of the last few videos, I don't know if you guys have noticed a trend, but we've been talking a lot about the C8 Corvette, different options you can get, and different modifications. I'm talking everything from an exhaust to a new wing. Well, you guys are in luck. I mean, the options are plentiful. You can get a new wide body kit on the C8 Corvette now. I mean, granted, it's a limited time edition or limited edition, whatever you want to call it, and the individual pieces are a little bit pricey. I mean, just for a spoiler and diffuser, it might be running you a few $1,000s, but I think it's completely worth it, and stay with me till the end of the video and we'll find out why, okay? So with this new wide body kit, you're gonna completely change the exhaust and get a new special edition even with that wide body. So this wide body special edition, like I said, it's limited and it's completely transforms the look of the C8 Corvette. It's coming with some new wing and a new hood inserts, for example. I mean, it's got a bunch of other parts that I'll list down below in the comments if you want to see all of them. But everything being made from this is from dry carbon fiber. And I know what you're saying. What's the difference? Dry carbon fiber is completely different than regular, and what the intent of it is, it's ironically like regular carbon fiber. It has more strength and lightness to it compared to regular. So that, like I said, I'm gonna have some images up as you can see. You can see the differences between them. Like I said, this kit is gonna be completely limited edition, and it's gonna be running you a few $1,000s for what you want of it. I do think this is a must-have if you're in the market for it. I mean, this is something that you're going to completely make your C8 Corvette yours. I mean, I know there's not a lot of C8 Corvettes out there right now, but it's kind of plentiful, and there's a lot of options that people are doing right now, and they're kind of similar. This is going to completely originate yours. So with that being said, if you're not in the market and you can't afford this because you just spent your whole life savings on a C8 Corvette, you're in luck because you can just put some cardboard and some duct tape on it to fix that instead. Okay, and this is going to be starting a new segment on my channel where we're going to be doing shoutouts for some smaller channels so we can all grow together. So today's shoutout is going to be for Throttleneck, and I know what you're thinking, we don't need a shoutout, but he's an amazing channel and he's been making a lot of V6 Mustang content and some other content as well. It's just all about cars and great content. He's a great guy. So I encourage you guys to really go out there and look at his channel. I'll make it even easier for you. I'm going to link his channel up here or up here, wherever the card is. I'm going to be linking it up there. I'm going to have it in the description. I'm going to have it at the end screen. It's going to be so easy for you guys to check him out after this video, but only after you subscribe to my channel. So that's all we have for this one, and you guys have a great one, and I want to thank you guys for growing this channel so fast and for taking the time to watch these videos and comment down below. Thank you for watching, and you guys have a great one.